Kristen Lewis, one of our students here at Spring Arbor University, has found some yarn that you can buy pretty inexpensively at Walmart. And what's interesting about this yarn is it contains various fluorescent dyes. And as a result of this, you can use this yarn for some, I think, pretty interesting experiments for the Halloween season. So if we take this dye, or excuse me, this yarn, and we've got a black light set up here, and Kristen's just going to run the yarn through the UV light. Boy, look at that. You can see various regions on the yarn do not contain dyes that fluoresce, like there, and there's other regions, boy, they just light up like a light bulb. Look at that. There's a green fluorescent dye, there's a nice orange one, and there's a red fluorescent dye. So you can easily talk about concepts of molecular fluorescence and emission. So what's going on here, remember, is the ultraviolet light is shining on these dyes, and that high energy light is being absorbed by the molecules in the dyes, and then those molecules are releasing that energy, that UV photon, as visible light. Now Kristen has also taken the yarn to make some interesting objects. What do we got here? Oh, look at that. Looks like we have a bracelet of some type that I don't know, maybe students can make. And then if you're really ambitious like Kristen, you can make a sweater. Look at that. Yep, that's right. Kristen's made a sweater out of these this fluorescent dye yarn. And can you imagine wearing this to school on Halloween for your chemistry class? Wouldn't that just be awesome? That is fantastic. And if you don't have access to a ultraviolet light, you can purchase a violet laser online for relatively inexpensively. And this has a really cool effect if you shine a UV laser, excuse me, not a UV laser, a violet laser on the yarn. I feel like I'm at a fashion show here. But if you shine that violet laser on the yarn that's, you know, that the sweater is comprised of, you get a really interesting effect as the laser hits portions of the sweater that have fluorescent dyes and those that do not. And of course there's different colors as you hit the various dye regions. Go ahead and swing that around a little bit. Look at that, isn't that just cool? Well, happy Halloween everybody, and happy experimenting.